everybody, Kai here. I'm super excited tonight to do a one-pan taco dinner. Only a couple of ingredients, very, very quick, very, very cheap, and very, very delicious. We're gonna start off with some medium ground beef. Just gonna throw that at the bottom of the pan. I'm gonna add some beans. These are just regular kidney beans that I'm gonna throw in here. Throw a little bit of salsa. It's a medium salsa, guys, so a little bit of heat, but not much. A little bit of diced tomatoes. I'm gonna use some condensed chicken soup, cream of chicken soup. You can use whatever you like, whether it's cream of celery, cream of mushroom, your choice. And then I'm gonna add about 3 tablespoons of taco seasoning. We're gonna mix that all up. Guys, again, this is really, really cheap. It's only a couple ingredients. It'll feed a family of 5 or 6 easily if you're on a budget. Even if you're not on a budget, it's still very delicious and cheap. That smells really, really good already. So we're gonna mix that around like that, guys. So it's like that. All we're gonna do now is we're gonna add some small tortillas. Literally, guys, this is going to take me about 5 minutes to finish off. Just going to throw some Tex-Mex cheese, so it's a blend of 3 different cheeses. You can use whatever cheese you like, guys, whether it's mozzarella, Monterey Jack. And we're going to top it again with some more tortillas. Whoa, almost lost that. Some more cheese. Guys, we're going to bake this in the oven for about 20 minutes at 375. And that, folks, is how quick this happens. You got the full pan. Smells delicious. It's going to look great, and it's going to be a bang-on Mexican dinner. See you in a bit. So here we have it, guys. It's the finished product. 20 minutes in the oven at 375. A little bit of green onion on top, and I put a little bit of salsa on top as well. I'm just gonna dig into this beauty here. Man, it smells so good. Set that there, put my dish over here, put that over there. A little more of a cut coming up. Look at that. That is so cool. I can't wait to get into this. Wow, smells delicious. I'm gonna add a little bit more of the ground beef. Wow. I'm getting into this in about 30 seconds. I am so excited to get into this. Smells great, looks great. It's gonna be really hot, I'm sure. Here we go. Those flavors are just bursting in my mouth. You gotta try this. Cheap, easy, quick. See you next time. Remember to subscribe to Shits and Giggles and SNG Live on Facebook. See you again.